Welcome to the homemaking and gardening channel, and today I'm going to share with you a very easy simple Bengali Garam Masala powder. This is the authentic recipe that is used in most of the Bengali traditional kitchens. This spice blend is just made up of 3 ingredients and it makes your meat curries, paneer curries all the more tasteful. For this, we have to take cinnamon, cardamom, and cloves in equal amount by weight. I have taken 20 grams of cardamom, 20 grams of cloves, and 20 grams of cinnamon sticks. They are also known as dalchini, elaichi, and long. We have to take these 3 ingredients by weight, and then in a heavy based pan we have to dry roast it, preferably on a slower flame, until a wonderful aroma is released from the spice blend. The color of the spices also changes a bit darker. As a wonderful aroma is released from the spice blend, just switch off the flame and let the spices cool down a bit. Put the spices in a blender or grinder and make a fine powder like this. Once done, cool it off and then transfer the contents in an airtight glass jar preferably. Make sure the storing container is tightly closed so that the wonderful aroma and the flavor is retained over a long period of time. You can use this spice blend to make your curries taste more wonderful. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye. You can also watch my other Shahi Garam Masala powder recipe. The link of the video is shared in the description box below.